So we're at the McLaren dealership. Now, me and you both know we're not buying a McLaren for $800, but I am about to show you how you could turn $800 into a McLaren, and that's what we're going to do with this series. That's the McLaren that we're going to check out now, but as you can see, go ahead and check out the other beauties. Got the Bentley Continental, got the Aston. This is the one I'm talking about. The other one is actually gray, but as you can see, is a Vantage. Matt Armstrong actually repaired one of those. Crispy, he got it. It's nice now. So this one, of course, you got the Porsche over there sold, as you can see. McLaren, we're about to look at that. Lambo 720S white, it's nice. And they got the top that I love. Love that top.
I'm gonna do this way. This is their first supercar. Their first.
Yeah, this is the baby. Yeah.
Entrance into production street legal cars.
Yeah.
And I mean, I get it. I understand why it has an appeal. It ain't. I'm being.
Yeah, this one ain't really specced out like that.
Yeah. I'm just talking about me. I mean, everybody different. Everybody got they.
Got some nice, sweet bucket seats though.
But honestly, I would just take advantage of this all day, every day.
All day, every day.
Even with the carbon fiber that's on there, that's cool. All that stuff looks good. This car sounds good. I know all that stuff is cool. But at the end of the day, who's taking advantage?
Taking advantage.
Like, look at how you get in the car. Like,
This thing is sweet, bro.
The tug, right? What's that?
Yeah. No, I'm saying it's sweet.
Yeah, but like
How you get in?
In terms of, go ahead, sit there. I can't get back out. Yeah, it is way more difficult. I mean, I'm a little bit bigger than you, but still, like. And then, check this out, and then go sit in the Vantage. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, film the brake, and then it should be to start that signal in the center. Oh, okay.
It is, for sure, hands down. Now you might say, well, how are you going to buy it? Like I said, of course, you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. I'm not about to buy a McLaren with $800, but I am going to show you how I'm going to start with $800 and be able to afford a McLaren very, very soon. Now, I pretty much did the same thing with this Mustang. I started with $0. I worked very hard, saved that money, flipped that money, snowballed that money, and I was able to go to Florida and buy my dream car, which is this California Special Mustang with the manual transmission, the big dog V8, and of course, you already know it sounds crazy, right? So I'm gonna put that video up there so you can go way back in my channel and check it out. So pretty much a few months ago, I started buying and flipping cars, right? I've been doing it for a long time, but just now starting to do it on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how I took $800 and turned it into what I got so far, which is a couple $1,000s. And I was able to do that starting with only $800 in knowledge. So I'm going to put the link to the videos up here. I started off with $800. I bought a Toyota Corolla. I flipped that for around like $1,800, almost $1,900. I took that money. I bought a few cars. Let me see what I can remember. I had an SS Monte Carlo. Go watch the videos. We also had a Ford Fusion. We got that for $1,500. We sold that for $4,000, I believe. What else we had? We had a Saturn. We got that. We sold that. We had a few cars, right? So a few cars I did throughout the course of the last few months. I bought, I repaired, I sold, and that stacked up our money so we can get closer and closer to buying the McLaren. Now, believe it or not, the McLaren is not far-fetched. It's only $100,000. The Aston Martin is not far-fetched. The 2020 is only $130,000, right? The older Aston Martin, the one that I like all of them, but I really like the older ones because it comes with a manual. That's only, I seen one around town not too far from here, and that was only around $40,000 to $50,000. So these things are achievable, is what I'm trying to say to you. And I want to go ahead and show you and take you along the journey of me achieving these things, right? So not only are you going to watch me do it, you're also going to be a part of the journey and learn how to do it yourself. Because if I can do it, you can do it. I know that's cliche. A lot of YouTubers say that if I can do it, you can do it. But it's honestly true, to be honest, because we all normal people in this world. And trust and believe, I truly believe if somebody else can do it, I can do it. Because I'm a very versatile person. I'm very smart. And I got a crazy work ethic. Okay, so we about to go check out Aston Martin real quick over at the Aston Martin dealer. So y'all remember this car? We did a very good job with I think his name was Mike. He has one of these. The center console is most definitely way nicer. It does feel way more well, the seat just feel more comfortable, not as firm.
Get that red circle in the center. It's not bad.
That's a quiet mode, right?
Yeah,
Not a sport. Yeah, no.
It's rear wheel drive. It's got the AMG engine in it. You know what I'm saying? It's a dog ass ride. Man. I can't hold up on this one at all. And then I had the doors that go up.
Just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit.
Plus they got the it's actually got cargo. So if you said you're doing a trip, at least you got some room to put some bags back there.
Yeah, you do.
You know what I'm saying? It's actually functional.
Yeah. It's not too bad. It's just a pop up.
Just lift that
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then it'll be a little partition for you, so you know your ladies with you, whatever. She throw her bag back there, she do her thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, like,
So how did you enjoy it on the freeway?
it's awesome. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
At no point did I feel like it was uncomfortable, that we weren't safe. I wanted to drive it faster, but I was afraid I was gonna get a ticket.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, so, you know, like I said, there was people out there that wanted to race me. It was like, I remember a BMW wanted to race me, and this dude, I think he was in like an Audi or something, but bro, we was floating like 90 all the way to Grand Rapids and back. Like,
Yeah, and that's like a 3.5, 4 hour drive.
yeah, it was like, it was about 3 hours.
Yeah.
3 hours, whatever. But, you know, we was in the car for a minute, it was super comfortable. It was comfortable. Everybody had to do it, man. So that's all I'm saying. Like, it's just more to it.
Comparison between the Vantage and the 12C. I like the 12C personally just because, like I told y'all, it was always a dream car of mine. The Vantage for sure, always a dream car as well. But I also like the older year Vantage, the 08, the 09. Yes, it's a whole different platform, a whole different motor. But pair that boy with a manual gearbox. Hold on, look at this Benz, bro. You see this Benz though? That boy going crazy. But long story short, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned. Be on the lookout for all the other videos coming up because we're starting the series. Pretty much the series already started. Go back and watch the other videos I did. The Fusion, the Monte Carlos, the Saturn, the motorcycle, everything. Go back, watch the videos, get caught up because we're about to start going crazy and dropping other cars because we have to snowball this money in order to buy something from here, which is, that's mine. I already bought that. Cash too, by the way. Watch that video. But buy a McLaren or buy Aston Martin back there. I'm really liking both of them. Either way it go, like I said, we might buy the Aston Martin on the way to the McLaren and enjoy it so that we can have fun all the way around. But once again, I'm just showing you how I do it, what I can do. Y'all can do it too. And if you like this video, leave a comment down below and let me know that you're ready to start this journey with me.